The official Experian credit dispute mailing address is Experian Dispute Department, P.O. Box 2002, Allen, TX 75013-2002. This is where you need to send your dispute letters to challenge inaccuracies on your credit report. Although Experian has increased its focus on online dispute resolution, mailing a physical letter is still essential, particularly for complex cases like identity theft. Here's a sample template to help you format your dispute letter properly. Mailing a dispute creates a crucial paper trail and ensures a formal record of your communication. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, grants you the right to dispute errors on your credit report free of charge. Sending a certified letter with return receipt offers proof of delivery, which can be vital if further action is needed. Although online options exist, physical mail is often recommended for disputes involving fraud or other sensitive issues. Your dispute letter must be clear, concise, and include key details. First, use clear and concise language to state your dispute. Include your full name, address, and social security number for identification. Provide a detailed description of the specific item you are disputing, such as specifying account XXXXX is not mine if it's a fraudulent account. Attach copies of supporting documents like bank statements or police reports to strengthen your claim, but never send originals. First, gather all necessary information and supporting documents. This includes your full name, address, social security number, account details, and any evidence that supports your dispute, such as bank statements or police reports. Second, write a clear and detailed dispute letter. Explain exactly what information is incorrect, why it's wrong, and provide specific details about each disputed item. Use a professional tone and be thorough in your explanation. Third, make copies of all documents for your records. Keep your originals safe at home and send only copies with your dispute letter. This ensures you have proof of what you submitted if needed later. Fourth, address the envelope to Experian at the correct mailing address, Dispute Department, P.O. Box 2002, Allen, Texas 75013-2002. Make sure the address is written clearly and completely. Fifth, send the letter via certified mail with return receipt requested. This postal service provides tracking and proof that your dispute was received by Experian, which is important for the investigation process. Finally, keep the return receipt and copies of your letter and documents as proof of mailing and delivery. This documentation is crucial if you need to follow up or escalate the dispute later. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Experian must investigate your dispute within a specific time frame. For most cases, they have 30 days to complete the investigation and provide results, though complex disputes involving multiple creditors may take up to 45 days. The investigation process begins when Experian receives your dispute. They review your letter and any supporting documentation you included, such as bank statements or identity theft reports. Experian then provides relevant information about the disputed item to the creditor or lender for their investigation. This step ensures all parties have the necessary details to verify the accuracy of the information. The creditor or lender investigates the dispute, checking their records to confirm or correct the information. This may involve contacting you for additional verification if needed. Once the investigation is complete, Experian updates your credit report with any necessary corrections, deletions, or explanations provided by the creditor. Finally, Experian notifies you of the results, including details about any changes made to your credit report. If no changes are made, they must provide an explanation of their findings. Recent state laws and FCRA requirements ensure timely responses to disputes. According to 2025 data, the average dispute resolution time has dropped to 25 days, reflecting improvements in the process. The credit dispute landscape is evolving rapidly. Experian reports a significant shift towards digital methods, with mailed disputes dropping 25% from 2023 to 2025, while online submissions increased by 40%. This trend reflects broader industry changes, with Experian launching a mobile app in 2025 that integrates dispute tracking with credit monitoring services. Looking ahead, experts predict a fully digital ecosystem by 2030. However, mailed disputes will remain important for underserved populations without internet access and for complex cases involving identity theft. Privacy regulations, such as the California Privacy Rights Act, are also shaping the future by mandating clearer outcomes through email or online portals. This bar graph illustrates the declining trend in mailed disputes alongside the rise in online submissions over the past 3 years. Mobile apps like this credit monitoring interface are making dispute tracking more accessible and user-friendly, contributing to the digital shift. Experts emphasize the importance of mailing disputes for creating a legally sound record. John Ulsheimer, a former Equifax executive, states that certified mail creates an irrefutable record, essential if disputes escalate to lawsuits. Consumer advocacy groups like the National Consumer Law Center recommend mailing over online for sensitive disputes, citing risks of digital errors. While mailed disputes account for a smaller percentage of total disputes, they often have a higher success rate in fraud cases due to the ability to attach supporting evidence. Mailed disputes make up 20% of total disputes, with a 15% higher success rate in fraud cases. In 2025, Experian processed over 2.5 million disputes. Even with increasing use of online methods, mailing remains a vital option for ensuring accurate and enforceable credit report outcomes. Consider mailing certified for your own records and protection.